Hey Nontechies, and welcome to another tech tutorial. If you are new here, thank you for joining us. We are in the middle of creating a freebie funnel. I'll make sure I link part 1 in the description below. In part 2, we are going over how to do email automations. And so just to kind of give you a background, because I am in the process of creating everything from scratch here on this System.io platform, I created a coming soon page to gather emails in the process. I also show you how to create this coming soon page, but instead of you having to create it from scratch, what I'm doing here is I'm saying you can have this coming soon funnel template for free. You can download it right here and you'll get it in a one-click install. If you have already signed up to receive this coming soon template, thank you. But then also apologies because you have not received it. So you will receive it after this video, and anyone who comes to this funnel template going forward will get this email response immediately. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump in. So where we're going to be spending our time to do this is under automations. And so there are two ways that you can send emails. You can send them as a rule, or you can send emails as a workflow. Now, rules are kind of like one-offs, right? This is where we're going to be today. There are simple triggers, and then they have an action based off of that trigger. Workflows are more for a sequence of events or actions and automations. Think you do a webinar and you want to send 7 to 10 emails after that webinar to follow up with people who were on the webinar to purchase what it is that you were selling in that webinar. I believe I also have a video on email automation workflows, and so I'll make sure I link that below as well, but this is something that we're not going to get away from. We will definitely touch on again. So let's go ahead and create this rule. So we're going to click create. The trigger that we're going to select is that funnel step form subscribes. We're going to choose the funnel, right? So this is the freebie, and the page is going to be the coming soon template. And then the action is we're going to send an email. So if emails have already been created, you can select a previous email from here. If not, and you want to create it, you're going to want to click on this plus sign to go ahead and create that email. Now, I have already drafted out the subject line as well as the body of this email. So I am just going to copy and paste. And then, let me see, I'm just going to go over a couple of things you need to include in this email. So right here where it says first name, this is actually a personalization substitute. So when you want to pull in things from your constituents that they've already provided to personalize the email, you can do that from right here. And so I will delete this, and you can come here and just click on it and it will be entered into your email right there. Okay, so the other thing that you want to make sure you include is your affiliate link, your System.io affiliate link. So we're going to click over here. I just had this open already, but under dashboards, you're going to click on your affiliate dashboard, and you're going to come down to click on that link where you're copying your System.io affiliate link. And then instead of just the System.io link, if you unlink that and then click the link to add your affiliate link and save it, now when they click on this, your information will be on there and you could potentially get a commission from them signing up. So we're going to do the same thing right here as well. Here is your special lifetime deal. And now click this link to get the funnel. It's a one-click install. So we're going to come back over here to our secondary page. We're going to go to websites, and we're going to go to sales funnels. What I love about System.io is they make it really easy to share what you have created. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to share the actual coming soon page. People who have signed up here want this coming soon page. So we're going to give them the coming soon template. If I click on these three dots and then I click on share, then that share link will come up on screen, and then you would copy it to your clipboard and you would paste it. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete this, and then I'm going to pause this recording so that I can copy the template share link that I really want and add it to our email. Okay. All right. So you see that has been copied to the clipboard. I'm going to go ahead and click here. I'm going to paste that. We're going to save. And I'm actually, let me see, going to make this bold since this is what you came for. And then for number 3, you'll see that I say, watch this video to edit your funnel and start growing your email list. So I don't actually have that. That is actually the next video that I'm going to record after this one. And so once I record that, I will drop that in here. And then the last link that I will add before we move on is a link to my YouTube channel for people to subscribe. So if you're watching and you're not a subscriber, we would love for you to, let me see, I did not add it. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we're going to save, and we're going to save the rule here. What you'll notice is green is active. Again, I don't want it active for everyone, but I will keep it active long enough to do a test. Okay, so we'll come here. Okay, it's working perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and disable it now so that no one else comes on. And if you need to disable anything, once you get ready to look for it, you just click on inactive, you filter, and you see that it's there, and then you can come to the 3 dot menu and enable your rule. But what we will do instead is we will open up this window to see the email has sent, and I'm going to click on this. It's going to open, and there it is. There is our coming soon funnel template. Just refresh again, it's there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stop this video so that I can start the next video showing you how to edit the actual funnel when you get it. So I'll see you in that next video.